It's the the whole story put together. That was nice. That's why I took the role. It was nothing that I was playing a cop. That's why I did the role. It's all about, it's a passionate love story between people from like two different spheres of life. You can say, like, I'm a cop and Dino's a criminal in the film, and how we meet and under what situations and circumstances the film proceeds is basically the film. Why things happen. So it's pretty interesting. Yeah.
But again, after hours and
Yes.
the huge success that all of you shared together, so how does it feel now after having had such a?
Well, it feels very good because once you work with us, like a certain group of people, and it's all positive. Not just because the film did well, but we had a really good time filming doing the film. So it was good when they offered me the film. Initially, someone else was Malini was supposed to do the film, but and they came to me at the last minute and they were like really sweet about it. And I had liked the story before. I was supposed to do it with Aftab, but I didn't have dates. So I guess, but it's fun. Whatever, like the whole unit coming back together, it's a good chemistry that we share.
And how has it been for the period that you've shot as a police officer in this film, and how is it different from the one that you're playing in that other film, Chor Machaye?
Chor Machaye Shor, I'm a much junior inspector in the film. I have a lot of seniors like Om Puri and Paresh Rawal and Bobby in the film. So it's basically, I'm not going to say that I was overshadowed by them, but the character has doesn't have, like, the cop thing doesn't play too much into it. But here, it is about a cop. It is about the bindings of a cop. It is about the just being a cop, what you are. It's like they say that in the film they say to be a police woman is it's like being I know the Hindi word for it. I don't know what to say in English. पुलिस में काम करना एक फितरत होती है. Like, it's like it's being yourself. Like, somebody who is in this job cannot ever leave the job or cannot come out of those set rules as a police, what you go through. So it's very a defined police woman, the role that I play in this film.
This is the only film that has worked till now is Raz, and you played the central character. So
Yes.
how does that feel? Are you overjoyed or are you?
Well, it's just the fourth month of the year. I hope the film industry does produce some really good films. But I'm happy that Raz has done very well, and I hope it does better as time goes on. And definitely, I do. I'm very proud to be a part of this project because from this project, I got a different kind of acceptance in the film industry. So definitely, it's like an added thing for me. Raz has been a biggest bonus in my life.
How does it feel to be hot property suddenly with half of Bollywood running out to sign you on?
I don't know if I'm a hot property or not, but the choices have definitely increased. The kind of roles that come to me are not in any ways can stereotype me into certain brackets. So that's what's nice about it. I always wanted to do roles of different kinds in different films. So that option's like good for me because I have a right to choose the script, and I can like choose my character, and now I can put my two bits also in my character. So it's good.
Yeah, you were telling me about the success of Raz and your performance and the appreciation about it.
Well, I definitely would like to give a huge part of my success after Raz. I would like to thank Vikram Bhatt and Mahesh Bhatt and Mukesh Bhatt for giving me the film and trusting a complete newcomer. And they were also in a tight situation because they didn't have a heroine for the film and they were starting the film. And so it was like it paid off ultimately. And now we have built that rapport that we are doing. I'm doing two more films for Vishesh Films, and I'm doing two more films for Vikram. So we have created a kind of rapport after us. So definitely, I guess each of us are good for the other. So.
Will history repeat itself with this film and they again not having a heroine on
Yes, it almost did. Encounter, the same thing happened in Encounter For Raz, Lisa had some problems, and for Encounter, Malini had some problems, and the film came back to me. So it's like, I hope history repeats itself, because this is a very good film, very intense. Um, the performances till now are good. The director, new director, Mr. Amol, he's excellent. He really understands everything that he's saying. Like, when a director has a vision and you grab it, that's the best part. That's like your scene just comes out. Like, there's no difficulty ever. So I think Amol has a lot of talent. We'll see after Encounter releases.
How does it feel wearing a police officer's uniform? Can a woman be beautiful and attractive even in a
Well, I guess, always it's not about what you're wearing. I always believe it's your personality. At the end of the day, you could be wearing a beggar's outfit, and still, if your personality is huge or larger than life, it will show through. So it doesn't matter what you wear. It's your character, it's your the way you carry yourself off in a particular scene. It's what you are. So it really doesn't bother me at all.
Do you have to gear yourself up for doing action sequences in this film? Or?
Yes, for the bigger action sequences, I have to go through a little bit of action training. That's quite a lot of fun because I've never done it before. So it'll be fun. But we have not started those sequences still.
Thanks.
Thanks.